I'm a star, a city full of billboards. You know who we are, the place many you'll kill for. Portable lifestyle right now, leaving on a flight. Even though tonight I ain't gonna sleep for 3 days running. I'm burning at midnight oil and I'm not complaining. They saying that I'm so spoiled and I got 3 candles and a watch payment for 30 hours of entertainment tonight. I feel famous, but tomorrow this pain. They tell me ain't important, got me feeling not important. I ain't bleeding, I ain't loyal, see you really can't afford it. Gotta play with no insurance, got a quarter, take a gas. I'm a 98 Accord. I ain't poor, but really I ain't shopping for much. Honestly, I'm not rolling Monopoly boardwalk property now. You name it, I done it, and if you want it, it'll cost you more than it ought to. They say it's the life. You see me now, it's a living, it's a hard life, and it's alright. But you gotta get up and go, get up and go, get up and go, get up and go. Yeah, you see the lights, the shine on when they on, when they turn them off. You gotta get on, get up and go, get up and go, get up and go, get up and go, get up.
Qu'il est né dans un cocon, le cul calé dans du coton, qu'il a pris du galon, son talent ni talon d'Achille, qu'il a le bras long et la réputation d'un frelon d'Asie, qu'il a vite pris le melon Vincile. Allons, tu crois vraiment que le soir j'emballe une ou deux belles au bois et qu'au petit matin je chie des œufs de beluga? Je la joue pas mélodrame, mais gars, tu crois quoi? Que je suis là depuis 3 mois et que j'ai la gogue de Lady Gaga? Tu t'égares, t'as pris du bois pour du métal, tu crois que je suis là où tu n'es pas, du Nevada ou du Népal? Tu me vois déjà, pas dans le crâne ou comme une épave. Ça m'est égal en fait, ouais. Car je suis le même con que celui que tu aimes. Donc lève ton canon, ton verre qu'on trinque. On a les mêmes pompes, la haine qu'on traîne contre X ou Y et les mêmes contraintes. Vinci. You see me now, it's a living, it's a hard life, and it's alright. But you gotta get up and go, get up and go, get up and go, get up and go. Yeah, you see the lights, the shine on when they on, when they turn them off. You gotta get on, get up and go, get up and go, get up and go, get up and go.
Never laugh at a dream, whether your grass is green or your passage is clean or clear. It has to be seen, or should you cover your neighbor when your truck's in your tailor and your truck needs a trailer to make a bucket? Gotta shut up and get started cutting your neighbor's lawn. It ain't a favor who yawns